Have you ever walked into an event and felt completely mesmerized by the stunning floral arrangements? Imagine being able to create that same magic yourself. Hi everyone, and welcome to Flowerpreneur TV. This channel is for event planners, florists, crafters, and anyone who loves making beautiful things for events or home decor. Let me share a bit about myself. Believe it or not, I used to be a stock trader, but now I'm what I like to call a flowerpreneur. It all started with a simple desire to make astonishing and beautiful flowers. I began with paper and crepe paper, but everything changed when I discovered foam flowers. The realism and detail I could achieve with foam were amazing. This discovery was not just a breakthrough in my crafting, but also the start of this channel. Here at Flowerpreneur TV, we dive deep into the art of making giant lifelike foam flowers. Whether you're just starting out or you've been crafting for years, there's something here for everyone. We'll walk through tutorials on everything, from choosing the right materials to crafting petals and assembling your final piece. And it's not just about crafting. We'll also cover how to market your creations. You'll learn how to sell and rent your flowers, turning your hobby into a business. Join me on this journey, and you'll gain the skills and knowledge to master this incredible art form. Before we jump into our tutorials, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. This way, you won't miss any of our exciting upcoming content. If you're excited to get started, give this video a like and comment below with the types of flowers you're eager to learn about. Thanks for tuning in to Flowerpreneur TV. Remember, every flower we create isn't just a decoration, it's a statement. Let's bloom together, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.